Today, I'm making another classic recipe, pepper steak. There's no need to spend your hard-earned money at that local takeout when you can make it yourself at home. So stick with me and I'll show you how to make it. Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making pepper steak. You will need 2 pounds of thinly sliced skirt steak, 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 6 scallions, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 6 tablespoons of cooking sherry, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 6 teaspoons of cornstarch, 5 teaspoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 4 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 4 tablespoons of canola oil. To a large bowl, add your steak and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, then mix until well combined. In another bowl, combine your 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and sesame oil. Now add the cooking sherry and rice vinegar. Add your oyster sauce, brown sugar, and black pepper. Add the cornstarch, then whisk until well combined. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your oil. Now cook your steak. Remove your steak from the pan, then set it aside until later. Now add the white portion of the scallion, garlic, and ginger, then sauté for 1 minute. You can have this recipe and all of my other recipes in the palm of your hand. Just simply download the Soul Food Cooking app and join the SFC family. The link to instructions on how to get the app is in the description below. Now add your red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and the green portion of your scallion and continue to sauté until your vegetables have softened. Return your steak to the pan and mix well. Now add your sauce, mix well, and allow it to simmer for 4 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.